Primetime news this evening, not so fast. Chief Justice calls for government to revise plan to change close protection policy for public officials. Upper House debates proposal to amend law giving prosecutors power of appeal. And later, leading the charge, RGR Gleaner Group assisted field hospital at UHWI completed and handed over. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what are your reactions to the Reggae Boys' loss against the United States? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.